Hi friends! Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever I publish a new video. Home Remedies presents: take a piece of garlic, put on a patch and paste on your skin. Nature can furnish us with probably the best characteristic solutions for some illnesses, which can fundamentally enhance our well-being. Garlic is one of the most powerful natural remedies that can go side by side with some of the antibiotics, or even be more efficient. It can protect our bodies from bacteria, fungi, and infections, but it would be more effective. It is important to be consumed on an empty stomach. Scientific research has shown that your body will be better protected if you eat garlic in the morning before a meal, because it increases the antibacterial properties. Garlic has more than 400 active ingredients. It is a source of vitamins A, B1 and B2, C, minerals, dietary fibers, amino acids, essential oils, vegetable fats, enzymes, iron, iodine, calcium, potassium, sulfur, selenium, and phosphorus. But there is another way in which you can use garlic. It is necessary to put it on the patch and paste on the skin, more specifically to the part where there are warts caused by HPV. Try a natural recipe. If you believe that other options are not helping, change it regularly for 2 weeks and see its effectiveness. If you found this video useful, hit that like button to give it more value, and don't forget to share on your social networks so that other people can benefit from it too. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.